Hello everyone. Today we are going to do a little compositions, simple compositions here. So I have rendered a file, little process that we are going to do today. So first of all, what I want to say that I'm not here to exactly show like what I'm doing here. I mean, how I'm not here to teach you like to do a composition to do a compositing because I'm here just like there in the internet I saw lots of lots of places like there are no multi-extra files and the people were like asking for everywhere where the people are making a tutorials to compositions and the people are like those who follows them they were asking for the multi-extra files but they were not providing and in the internet also we don't get so so much file sometimes we might get and with this, lots of they are only paid so I have rendered some files and so I just wanna I'm here just to say that for you okay, so we will also I will also show a little bit I will give you a little info for just for that it's my first video by the way and from the next time from the coming date and I will be just doing a lot more videos and I'll be doing a lot more and I will be providing you guys and totally free and you are really getting them without of any cost and just follow me just subscribe me and the file will be with every 2 days and I will be doing a new render every day okay we'll keep talking and just first of all okay let's do something we'll keep talking on the way uh, I have okay it's over 1080 I have did that just right now and okay let's bring that file okay this is a file that I have rendered recently okay let's drag that over here and these files are if you press L it makes horizontal it's just make gives you file into horizontal form yeah and okay this is all beauty that I have already kept so I want to delete this so this is a beauty this is a normal pass and this is occlusion pass but this is exactly not that occlusion doesn't used to be like this because occlusions are and this is like looking like very gray types so it should have to be white and black it should have to give a depth and okay and this is a position pass this is specular pass these flowers are also getting specular because I think I did not I think now I'm just sure that I didn't work with this a lot more so these are very wrong and this is a depth where you can get by tweaking your values here or you can get that well for all that things you're just I'm here just to provide you the file for the better practice this is ID mat and yeah I want to say that I will be doing a cryptomat process from the coming date because uh, you know this I did render from the Arnold and Arnold doesn't have its own uh, cryptomat pass we should have to do some work on that so I didn't do that so okay uh, I'll be doing compositing with talkings to you guys uh, this is RGB I was just want to show you just a little okay I'm not doing like perfectly because I'm here just to give you some informations about what I have did and what I'm going to do for you so this is a beauty and this is we used to do a multiply for the occlusion pass and this is exactly very wrong so we are going to have to do little bit correction we can get from here let's do this we have like really done this and we are not going to do a lot more work on this so this is it and that's it this is it this is we don't need so much in the interior scene because yeah because it makes so much dark if you just tweak a lot more values on this okay we have got we noticed this so okay it's nice then and Okay, and then I want to bring a specular pass as well, and more, and this is it. I'm not making it doing using it support I don't want to be in just a single layer. I can't I just I'm just like I used to do with something like using more NORs and making some things these types of pipeline as well. And plus uh, specular, let's have a little bit specular. We don't want a lot more on the surfaces. Okay, it is even more. So okay, we did this. We have generally we have stupors, right? Oh my god, I didn't think about this before. Okay, then let's do manual compositions. Okay, without having a process, because this process helps you a lot. I know, but I have did lots of time, like there were not used to be passes, a lot more passes, and I was have to do roto color corrections, and you make all these things with roto and color corrections, and some more creative ideas you can just use on that. Okay. I just want to say I have normal. We can get the color correction, color informations. I mean, light informations from here also. You can get there. You can have you can do how much you want to do lighting in there. So we have a position pass, we have a depth. The depth is not important now. We are it's the depth I showed you already. So it's a normal. It's ID mat. It's and it is position and we can show what the position. Sorry, POSI positions to point. Mm, Positions to point. What a mistake. Normal. This is it, and yeah, if you don't get that anywhere, like sometimes it is used to like what you just doing is keep scrolling your mouses, but you don't get that. So just press F and you will get that exactly where it is. So it is here. You can get the all information that where each and every object is like placed on the scene. You can have the camera informations there. Okay, this is all. I don't want exactly to say what exactly it is. I just don't want to teach you all the things, because you guys also know well about all these things. I'm here to provide you just for the practice in this, and which can help you a lot. It's like you can. What it does is like it just helps a lot. Like whenever if you want to play some things over here, you can get the like where it's you can get it position, and you can place that like example like I want to have a light over here. All right, so I am doing taking a scene. No, I just want okay, car. I just want car, because light doesn't matter. So car, and I will be using checkerboard. I will be using checkerboard because it makes everyone uses this, and I also love to use this as well. And here it is, and let's see, the scene. Need to get a scene for this. And now we can do beyond, like now increase the size of your car, otherwise it won't let you to see where it is. Next, I will make it 50. Oh my god, 50. And I will bring this here, where it is here. You can see this now. I just like block that like television here, which was here. I can push this little backward. Okay, this is like I just cover with that. Now do you see this? It's like very nice. you can keep place your object by seeing like position where it is, and you can have pixel line render, and you can do whatever you want. So this is the nice things about the position pass. uh, okay, I'm here just to give you informations and just to provide you the provide you like this multi-xr files. And we have a normal. Okay, I want to show you one things with another way. I want a color on this, and we're not going to use crypto matte because it doesn't work exactly. I mean, it doesn't work exactly here, and we're not doing it. I want to do with the key, this with the gear. Let's use gear, because we have no like it's we have alpha, but let's extract that, and I just want to have a color on this part. Okay, it's first of all, but before that I want to have decrease the highlights from this big image, because you can see lots of it's the somewhere it is like losing their own texture. I feel like that. So okay, color correction, you can get that from here. Color correct here, and go just down, and highlights decrease again. Okay, this is enough. Nice. And yeah, what I say, yeah, we're going to change the color of this part, and see, I'm doing it with this key. Okay, we have this alpha, which is very bad. Everything has gone wrong, but everything has gone wrong, but that doesn't mean that like it has to be perfect, because whenever it will be perfect in the like production houses and smart, but now you don't need to have perfect, so that you can get a lots of idea, lots of way that you could just adjust them and manage them anyway. So okay, we got that, and I want this to be in, but I just out of us should know. Okay, so I want this to be in alpha, not that. So I want to invert this. Invert this, and I did this, and I think we have also changed the color, because we shouldn't have to do this all. We have to do just a channel, and color. I want to have a color here. Color correct, and let's do and if you change this, everything will be changed, because we haven't separated that from here, so we need to separate that. Let's take Mars, let's take Roto, and Mars over here, and Roto over here, and make it mask, whereas you need to make for the bad Roto. And now we have separated that, and it's alpha, and we have successfully changed that. Exactly, there's a lot of way that we can change, because there's a lot of way we can do, work on the nuke. There's no only one way. We can do change whatever we want here also. So it's just how we work, it's just the way that how we work. Because nuke is essentially using by everyone. I feel like we just use almost everywhere in the world, because it has lots of possibility to work. So I want the like outside black, so I want to have this and this, and I want to have feathers on this. I actually don't want this, but I want to feathers on inside. Okay, so for that, and okay, down this. Okay, nice. playing command cold as well. Sorry, I was just want to have a black and white. That's it. I want to invert this. I forget to invert this. And you can see if I just make it a lot more decrease, you just notice that everywhere it's just like hard edges everywhere. So after the roto, just I think you never have to forget this. Head blow on header, head blow, and gives the value like 50. So I just loves to give 100. Sorry, this happens. It is like sorry 50. No, I was doing 100. Okay, it makes somehow a little bit good. I got that, and one more thing we'll do. It is all about we do roto. Okay, I want to add this grid and have here. I want to light here. So place that and have its feather as much good feather because it shouldn't have to go above the light. And I said as well, copy this, paste this. Okay, it is well. Now increasing this like gives you the natural color. You can see this now. We have got a little bit nice, right? So this is the all like you can do with the Nuke. So okay guys, I don't want to do this a lot more there because you have this is just part of practice for you guys. I will just be doing a lot more renders, and I will be providing you within every 2 days the render files. So please guys to try to subscribe my channel and share the video. I just want to say, and it's okay. I'll be coming with the next and other lot more videos here. And just for the short informations that what I have brought up here. So I will be just keep coming in and bringing up for you with new render files for you. Okay, for today, only this much. We'll see you soon. Bye.